Hello, English time! Today we will learn animals. Animals. First animal is a cow. 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 Second animal is horse. 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 Third animal is a mouse. A mouse. Mouse. Fourth animal is fish. 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 Alright. Okay. The next animal is turtle. 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 I mean, you can say turtle, but I say turtle. Turtle. Turtle, turtle, whatever. Okay, turtle. Okay. Shark. 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 Actually, I should go like this. This is smarter. Monkey. 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 Lion. Ah, lion. Lion. Elephant. 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 Camel. 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 Goat. 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 Bird. 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 Cat. 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 Dog. 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 Alright, that's animals. Now there's wild animals and pet animals. Wild animals and pet animals. The wild animals are shark. Shark is a wild animal. Monkey. Monkey is wild. Lion is wild. Elephant. Elephant is wild. Camel. Camel is wild. Goat. Goat is wild. Well, no, not goat. Not goat. Let me put that on the ground. So those are wild. You know, shark. Shark, elephant, monkey. I don't know, what else was there? Like lion or something? Those are wild, but pet animals is like at your house. At your house. So cat. Cat is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Bird is a pet animal. Bird is a pet animal. Even turtle. Turtle can be a pet or wild. So we'll put turtle here. Turtle. Dog. Cat. Fish. Bird. Bird over here too. Birds are wild too. Horse. Horse is a pet. Horse is pet. Or wild. Horse. Wild or pet. So for example, we have a pet dog. A pet dog, right? The woman has a pet dog. Pet dog. The question is, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? The answer is yes. Yes. I have a pet dog. So do you have a pet? Yes. I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. Do you have a pet? Yes. I have a horse. You can say horse or pet horse. Either one is good. Okay? Another question. Which animals are wild? Which animals are wild? Well, a mouse is wild, or just mice. That's for two mice. Two mice. Mice. Turtles. And birds are wild. So which animals are wild? Sharks are wild. Camels are wild. Elephants are wild. Lions are wild. And monkeys are wild. They're all wild. Good.